Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. Time to enter the world of civil engineering. Here we will learn about different concepts related to civil engineering. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more new updates. In today's video we are going to discuss about civil engineering MCQs for JE of different exams. A simple field test carried out to determine deterioration of stones when immersed in water is known as A. Absorption test, B. Smith's test, C. Toughness test, D. Moore's hardness test. The correct answer is B. Smith's test. The main advantage of concrete blocks used for masonry as compared to brick is A. Shrinkage due to moisture movement, B. Lower strength, C. More requirement of mortar, D. Higher moisture content. The correct answer is A. Shrinkage due to moisture movement. The machine used to determine hardness of stone is called A. Dorry's testing machine, B. Duval testing machine, C. Brunel hardness testing machine, D. Rockwell harness testing machine. The correct answer is A. Dorry's testing machine. Ordinary lime mortar is cured by A. Water, B. Air, C. Covering it with sand, D. Exposing to high temperature. The correct answer is B. Air. The total percentage of dicalcium silicate and tricalcium silicate in all types of Portland cement is around A. 70%, B. 50%, C. 60%, D. 90%. The correct answer is A. 70%. White cement is white in color is due to A. Its modification manufacturing process, B. Specific chemical treatment given to ordinary cement, C. use of limestone and china clay free from metal oxides. D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Use of limestone and china clay free from metal oxides. The apparatus used for measuring soundness of cement is A. Vicat's apparatus. B. Briquette apparatus. C. Luchate apparatus. D. Le Chatelier's apparatus. The correct answer is D. Le Chatelier's apparatus. Soundness test is carried out on cement to determine A. Sound penetration capacity of cement. B. The presence of uncombined lime in cement. C. The presence of sound material in cement. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. The presence of uncombined lime in cement. The main advantage of adding pozzolana in cement is A. Reduce cost and permeability of concrete. B. Longer life. C. Slower setting time. D. Faster setting time. The correct answer is A. Reduce cost and permeability of concrete. The fineness of cement is expressed as A. Millimeter. B. Square meter per kilogram. C. Grade. D. Kilogram per cubic meter. The correct answer is B. Square meter per kilogram. The most undesirable properties of water used for making concrete or mortar are A. High concentration of carbonates. B. High concentration of bicarbonates. C. High concentrations of sulphates and chloride. D. High concentration of silicates. The correct answer is C. High concentration of sulphates and chloride. Test carried out to determine tensile strength of concrete is called A. Split test or Brazilian test. B. VB test. C. Triaxial loading test. D. Compression test. The correct answer is A. Split test or Brazilian test. Ratio of plastic moment to yield moment is known as A. Moment coefficient. B. Shape factor. C. Plastic modules. D. Poisson ratio. The correct answer is B. Shape factor. RMC is acronym of A. Rapidly mixed concrete. B. Readily mixed concrete. C. Recently mixed concrete. D. Ready mixed concrete. The correct answer is D. Ready mixed concrete. In plastic analysis of structures, the segment between any two successive plastic hinges is assumed to deform as A. A plastic material. B. A rigid material. C. An elastic material. D. Inelastic material. The correct answer is B. A rigid material. The ratio of axial deformation to the original length of the body is known as A. Linear strain. B. Linear stress. C. Lateral strain. D. Poisson's ratio. The correct answer is A. Linear strain. If longitudinal strain is tensile, the lateral strain will be A. Tensile. B. Compressive. C. 0D. Not determined. The correct answer is B. Compressive. Poisson's ratio is defined as the ratio of A. Longitudinal stress to linear stress. B. Lateral strain to longitudinal stress. C. Lateral stress to longitudinal stress. D. Longitudinal strain to lateral strain. The correct answer is B. lateral strain to longitudinal stress. Moment area method is best suitable for finding A. Slope and deflection of cantilever beam. B. Slope and deflection of continuous beam. C. Deflection of simply supported beam. D. Slope of fixed beam. The correct answer is A. Slope and deflection of cantilever beam. In moment area method, the slope of real beam at a section is represented by A. Bending moment of M/EI diagram. B. Shear force of M/EI diagram. C. Total area of M/EI diagram. D. Area of shear force diagram of real beam. The correct answer is B. Shear force of M/EI diagram. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.